Apecoin, suitably named after an extremely well-known genuinely creature in exchanging circles, is a cryptographic money propelled by the popular NFT assortment, the Bored Ape Yacht Club. This ERC-20 extremely token by and large is utilized for administration purposes in the ape biological system in an unpretentious way. Gorilla controls the local area that is cash working at the front of WEB3 in an exceptionally significant manner. Apecoin holders can truly conclude what heading the biological system will create in, and can decide on how Apecoin DAO supports will be dispersed amazingly. 62% of all ape tokens were apportioned to the Apecoin biological system store. They will be utilized to complete the undertaking's different drives certainly. Despite the fact that Apecoin has a genuine worth, its association with the NFT store makes many treat it as an image token, if not an overhyped shitcoin, which is genuinely huge. Financial backers have partitioned conclusions on the Apecoin digital currency, with some being immovably behind it and others anticipating that its air pocket should burst inside the space of weeks in a very significant manner. In our Apecoin cost expectation, we will attempt to recognize both of these sides and endeavor to, in every practical sense, make a cost figure that will find some kind of harmony between the two polarizing conclusions on Apecoin. If it's not too much trouble, recall that the items in this video don't comprise venture guidance and that you ought to continuously do your own personal examination prior to putting resources into any crypto in a significant manner. Presently, how about we make a plunge? Apecoin technical analysis, or so they sort of thought. There are a couple of justifications for why it is staggeringly difficult to fundamentally make Apecoin cost expectations. Its crucial worth as a token, most importantly, is attached to a promotion subordinate task, a NFT assortment. Albeit the Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the greatest tasks of its sort and has been gotten by numerous VIPs, it has proactively begun declining in prominence amazingly. Obviously, the undertaking isn't just about NFTs. It's tied in with systems administration with a rich and in every practical sense, well known at face-to-face parties, about supporting a stage cools things in the blockchain business, and substantially more. Albeit numerous thoughts behind NFTs are fantastic in principle, many individuals are not as enamored with them by and by, which is genuinely critical. The worries we explicitly hear most frequently are genuinely legitimate. Essentially elevated degrees of force utilization, the speculative idea of crypto, absence of appropriate guideline, etc. In any case, some of them are as of now being settled presently. It's simply an issue of changing the public's discernment. At the hour of compassing, all specialized pointers were showing major areas of strength for a pattern for Apecoin, with the Ape United States dollar pair getting serious areas of strength for a signal on most specialized examination stages. There's no colloquialism the way that Apecoin will act from here on out, however it is clear it's siphoning at present. Apecoin price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Apecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Apecoin will be $5.80. The most extreme level that the ape cost can reach especially is $6.59. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $6. August 2022. Apecoin price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to basically declare their estimate for the ape cost in August 2022. The base exchanging cost could for the most part be $5.08, while the greatest could reach $5.58 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Apecoin may be around $5.33 in a for the most part enormous manner. Gorilla price forecast for September 2022. Crypto examiners generally have really taken a look at the value changes of Apecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the in every practical sense, normal ape rate they foresee could truly be around $5.54 in September 2022. It can drop to $5.30 as a kind of least. The greatest worth could sort of be $5.80. October 2022. Apecoin price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the ape cost will be exchanged at $5.71 by and large, or so they thought. October 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Apecoin worth to $6.02. It in a real sense is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $5.51 in October 2022. Primate price forecast for November 2022, which is very huge. Crypto specialists have dissected Apecoin costs in 2022, so they are prepared to truly give their assessed exchanging really normal for November 2022 $5.82 in a quite huge manner. The least and pinnacle ape rates may be $5.63 and $6.30. December 2022. Apecoin price forecast. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ape cost will be around $6, or so they thought. In December 2022, the Apecoin cost might drop to a really least of $5.80. The normal pinnacle worth may be $6.59 in December 2022, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Apecoin price prediction 2023, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. After the examination of the costs of Apecoin in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Apecoin will be around $8.31 in a significant manner. The most extreme expected ape cost may essentially be around $10.08. By and large, the exchanging cost could in a real sense be $8.55 in 2023. Apecoin price prediction 2024, which is very huge. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Apecoin, in 2024, Ape is supposed to have the accompanying especially least and really most extreme costs. About $11.87 and $14.42, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $12.30. Apecoin price prediction 2025, or so they in a real sense thought. The specialists in the field of digital money for the most part have examined the costs of Apecoin and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ape cost could drop to $16.86, while its greatest can basically reach $20.39. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $17.36, which is very huge. Apecoin price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Apecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least ape costs for the most part are normal in 2026.